How to customize notification sounds in KakaoTalk. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how to customize the notification sound in KakaoTalk. Let's get started. First, open the application on your device. Now, once you are logged in, all you have to do is tap on the settings right here at the top. Now, once you do that, scroll down and search for notifications. Here it is. Now, tap on notifications. Here you can see notification tones. Just tap on it. Now once you do that, you can select the notification tones from here. You can select any from here. Just select the one you like this, select it. Once you select it, go back, and in this way your notification tone is changed. Super simple, right? You can change it to any from here like this. And that's it. This is how you can customize the notification sounds in KakaoTalk. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.